How to set back tap or double tap to open Spotlight on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. Now in Touch, we then scroll down and in here tap on Back Tap. After that, you could choose double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. Then we scroll down and select Spotlight. And that's it. Now if you double tap at the back here, that will open up Spotlight. And that's it. So here, if I double tap, it will open up Spotlight. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.